Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly. I hope everyone is doing well today. Today I'm sharing a very easy creamy sour cream chicken casserole, and it doesn't take a lot of ingredients and it's very tasty. But for the recipe you will need 1 cup of sour cream, a half a cup of butter that is melted, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, some salt and pepper to taste, and also 25 or so Ritz crackers, and these will be crushed up, so put them in a little baggie. And the recipe calls for 4 chicken breasts, boneless, skinless chicken breasts cooked. I used 3 because that's what I had in my freezer, and I think that worked out fine. 4, I'm not sure if you have maybe a larger dish, but I think 3 worked out fine for this. So put the chicken in a square baking dish, and you want to make sure it's cooked. You can either boil it or cook it in another way, but just salt and pepper it to taste. Now the recipe only calls for salt and pepper, but I decided to add some garlic powder just to give it a little bit more flavor. So if you want to do that, just add any other type of seasoning that would go well with this. But I did feel like it needed just a little bit more than maybe just salt and pepper. Now add the sour cream and the cream of chicken soup to a bowl, and you will mix this until it's completely mixed evenly. And now once it's mixed up well, then add it to the top of the chicken. And you're just going to take a spatula or a spoon and just spread it over the top. And you just want to coat all the chicken pieces, but just get it as evenly as you can. And now take the Ritz crackers and just break them up. And so you kind of want to crush them up as much as you can. Not necessarily into a powder, but you do want to have it more like a breadcrumb type mixture, I guess. Just not too pulverized. So I do leave a few pieces that are a little larger. But then you will just sprinkle this over the top of the soup and sour cream mixture. And you just want to try to get it evenly coated. If you need a few more, you can always crush up just a few more to put on top. Now you want to take the melted butter that you have, and you will just take a spoon and just spoon it over the top, and you want to try to get it as evenly as you can so each little bit of it gets that butter in it, and that helps to brown it some, but it also does give it a lot of flavor. And in your preheated oven, you will bake this on 350 for about 20 minutes to half an hour. You want that soup to kind of get into the chicken. Now, the chicken should already be cooked, so that's not what we're cooking. We're just trying to get the soup to kind of cook in a little bit and to brown that top. And when it comes out of the oven, it should have somewhat of a brown top to it. And when it's plated, this is what it looked like. And I just served it with some broccoli, cauliflower, and some carrots as little mixed vegetables. And really easy, simple recipe to make. Great for a weeknight or anytime. Just simple ingredients, but really delicious. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. I hope everyone has a blessed day, a great week ahead. God bless y'all.